Students, this is Pallav sir, and today we'll start exercise 2.4, and today I will explain question number 1 and 2. Okay, so let's begin with question number 1. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Okay, she then multiplies the result by 8, and finally she is getting the result which is obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So we have to get the number. So whenever in the question it is said what is the number, the first thing that you have to do is let the number be x, because we have to find this number. Now what is the first sentence is saying? Amina thinks of a number, suppose she thinks of x and subtracts 5 by 2 from it, isn't it? So the first thing we will do is we'll subtract 5 by 2 from x, that is x minus 5 by 2. Now whatever the result you are getting, you are multiply it with 8. According to the second sentence, she multiplies the result by 8, and finally what she is getting, the result she is getting is 3 times the same number she thought of. That is what number she thought of? X, that is 3 into x. So this is the final equation. Okay, now the first thing that you will do is you will open the bracket. Now how to do that? So you have to multiply this 8 with x also, and you have to multiply with 8 with 5 by 2 also. Okay, now let's see how to open the bracket. Now first thing you have to see that x is carrying 1 as a denominator. Since only x is written, so you have to think that x is carrying 1 as a denominator, and even you have to think that 8 is also carrying 1 as a denominator also. Now how to multiply? 8 into x is 8x, 1 into 1 is 1. Okay, it is carrying 1 out here. Now we'll put this minus sign. Now again multiply with 8 5s are 40 and 2 1s are is what? 2, equals to 3x. Now we'll reduce this because 40 is divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 20s are 40. So final equation will look like as 8x minus 20 is equals to 3x. Now before going to the next step, we have to understand that we have to take the variable terms to the LHS and the constant term to the RHS. So it will look like 8x minus 3x, as because plus 3x was there. So when we bring to LHS, it will the sign will change, and similarly minus 20 will, when we'll bring to RHS, it will also the sign will also change for minus 20 also. So it will look like 8x minus 3x is equals to 20. Now solve it. 5x, 8x minus 3x is 5x equals to 20. Remove this 5, so 5 will go there. That is 20 divided by 5, so x equals to 20 by 5. So finally we are getting x value as 4. So this is the required number, students. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 1. Let's move on to question number 2. Now it is also very easy. Now a positive number is 5 times the other number. So we are talking about two numbers. Okay, there are two numbers there where one number is 5 times the other number. This is the first sentence is saying. Now what is the second sentence? If 21 is added to both the numbers, so when we'll add 21 to both the numbers, we'll obviously get two new numbers. Okay, so what will happen with those two numbers? Then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. Okay, what are the numbers? So the first thing that you have to let is, what are the numbers? Let the numbers be x. This is the first number, and obviously what is the other number then? Because of 5 times the other number, that is it will be 5x. Okay, so let's see what is the second sentence saying. If 21 is added to both the number. Now if you add 21 to both the numbers, we'll again get two new numbers. So the new numbers are x plus 21, because we are adding 21 to first number, that is x plus 21, and even we are adding 21 to the second number also, that is 5x plus 21. So these are the two new numbers. Now what exactly we have to do with these two numbers? Let's read the next part of the question. That is, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. That is, one of the new number becomes twice the other two numbers. So see how I've written 5x plus 21, this is a new number, is twice the other new number. Okay? That is 2 into x plus 21. Okay, now just open the bracket. 2 into x is 2x, plus sign, 2 into 21 is 42. Now just do the simplest part, that is you have to bring the variable term to one side and constant term to other side. So it will look like 5x minus 2x equals to 42 minus 21. 5x minus 2x is 3x, and 42 minus 21 is 21. So just transpose this 3 to right hand side, so it will look like x is equals to 21 by 3, and finally you're getting x as 7. Now what was x? X is the first number, so the first number is equals to x equals to 7, and what will be the second number? Second number is 5x, that means 5 into 7, that is 35. So these are the two required numbers. So this is the solution of question number 2. Now solve this question number 1 and 2 and give it to Google Classroom. Okay, thank you and take care.